So many people have this question: what is the correct age for joining a martial art class? Some parents feel that their child is too small, and some parents start sending martial art classes to a 2-year-old child. Many people think that they are too old for learning martial arts. Then, what is the correct answer for this question? You make 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years old children join martial arts class only for your happiness. Sometimes some children of this age group perform well. If you want a 5 or 6 years old child to join martial arts, then join it as a physical activity only. Don't keep any expectation. If you really want your child to learn martial arts, then let them be at least 7 years old. Because at this age the child becomes so intelligent that he can understand the complexities of martial arts. And there is no age limit to elder age. Then start when you want to start. Many people think that their tummy is coming out. Now we have grown up. We are not flexible and I cannot even run. Then how can I learn? So I want to tell him that there is no age limit to learn any type of art. Your dedication is only important. And yes, 7 to 20 years age is the best for learning martial arts. Because we are developing at this age. In this age, we do not have more responsibilities. If you have firm determination, then you will just see your aim. It is not too late. Start now, because martial art is must in present circumstances. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.